Road trip tip. What if you're driving on some road somewhere, an emergency services vehicle is in the area? We're talking an ambulance, a police car, fire truck. Their sirens are going, and maybe you're not sure about the particular rules of that jurisdiction. What is a safe bet on how to behave on the road when there's an emergency services vehicle, sirens and lights flashing?
Always pull over to the side of the road and stop. Which side of the road you pull over onto is going to matter about what kind of road you're on. A lot of major interstates and a lot of highways, both in Canada and the US, are a divided highway. So there's a big chunk of grass and greenery in the middle. So if you're in the left lane, you pull off to the left onto the shoulder and stop. If you're in the right lane, you pull off to the right-hand shoulder and you stop to give the emergency services vehicle as much room in the middle to go by as you can. If you are in a 3-lane highway, pick a side. Usually to the right is the best way to go. And again, try to pull over onto the shoulder and stop, go as far as you can.